Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In the event that you've got that OE fault code on your laundry center, in our case, we've got the LG THINQ, chances are you've got a clogged drain pump filter. Let's take a look. Making our way to our laundry center, and in front of us is our LG THINQ, and this is a laundry center stackable electric version. And coming down to the very bottom, we've got the washing machine on bottom, dryer on top, and right down here, this is our little access door or panel, and inside there is our drain pump filter. Camera now position looking directly at the access door or panel, and again, DIYers, if you got the OE code, it's one of three things. Number one, a clogged drain pump filter. Number two, a clogged drain hose. Or number three, which is the least likely, a drain pump failure. However, again, coming up top to the dead center portion of the panel or door, and DIYers, as you push down on that tab and shift the door open, do it in a very friendly manner to alleviate breaking it. So come up top and again push down and shift this out, as you see right there. And inside here, we've got two things. Number one, the drain pump filter as well as the drain hose. And this can come out, but do not pull it out too far and aggressively. Once it comes out and stops, that's it. Just leave it as is. Again, you do not want to continue pulling this and aggressively putting strain on the opposite side of this hose and have it disconnect inside. That would create a whole new DIY project. However, again, here is where you drain it. So what you'll do first, which you likely have already done, and the instruction decal or sticker on what to do is right there. Again, you get a dish and basically position it and pop this little cap off or plug and let it drain. And once it stops draining, you can carefully come inside and loosen the filter by unscrewing it counterclockwise and pulling it out. And it is that filter that is likely your problem. It's probably clogged. However, again, you have already likely done this, so we're not going to bore you with this in this video. We're just talking about the three common causes. Again, a clogged filter, a clogged drain hose, or a failed drain pump. However, scrolling above as well as down below in the comments and description, video link number 1 will take you directly to the video where we perform this entire procedure of grabbing the dish, positioning the hose, pulling out the plug, draining the water, unscrewing the drain pump filter, cleaning it, and putting everything back together. Taking a step back in DIYers, that is it. And again, the most likely cause out of those three common causes is a clogged drain pump filter. So proceed with cleaning that, and hopefully that will get you reconfigured and up and running properly again. From here, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. In addition, down below are video links on installing and replacing parts, and one of which is replacing our dryer chute, which in most cases, safe to say, yours has never ever been replaced since it was initially installed when the home was built. And because of that, DIYers, it might be time to replace it. Thanks again for watching.